So there is a camera that we all learn to love. It's called Z30. And apparently some third-party companies like SmallRig produce some accessories for it.
They did. SmallRig have very kindly sent us some accessories for the Z30. So we're going to unbox them, fit them to the camera, and show you why you might find them useful for vlogging. I'm going to start with the smallest box first because it's cute. Looks like it could contain some jewellery, but it doesn't. It contains a little muffler. So this is an attachment for the cold shoe, and it actually just gives you a sort of a wind muffler for the built-in stereo microphone. Right, next up. Okay, so we have a base plate. Ta-da! That is an Arca Swiss compatible base plate. Last but not least, we have a cage. This is a video cage for the Z30, and it comes with the little magnetic tool that all the SmallRig bits come with, which is great. It has plenty of different sized attachment holes for various different attachments. So let's put it on the camera and see what it looks like.
Okay, in my pocket I have a Z30 with a 16-50 lens, and yes, I do have large pockets. So let's put the things on. So first one up is the little muffler. So it's made of plastic, let's be honest. So I mean, probably fragile, but to be honest with you, it's so light that even if it falls down, you're not going to break it or anything. So it just slides on the hot shoe and covers the stereo mics that are on top. So that's quite nice.
You know what I like about it is it also has a cold shoe there, so you could add an additional light or something on top if you can fit it.
That's really cool, actually. And the good thing, it just looks cute. So let's have a look at the plate. The plate is actually made of metal, and surprisingly, it's actually quite light. So what you have to do is just literally screw the thing on. I actually like those built-in screws because some of the previous ones would come in with a little screw that you can it's magnetically attached.
Right.
But the problem is if you lose it, then he's going to be in trouble. Now, what I like about this straight away is actually my pinky is not now hanging in a free fall effectively, you know, so it actually has a nice grip to it. It doesn't add too much weight. But the good thing about this is obviously it's got the Arca Swiss, so which basically will help you to put it on a tripod and also on gimbals like DJI or Moses, etc., etc. We also have a cold shoe at the bottom as well. So you now have two cold shoes effectively. So on top effectively you can put maybe a light, and then at the bottom a receiver for your wireless microphone. So this is quite useful. Exactly.
It also has this little latch here that opens, so you can open the battery door.
Oh yeah, it's much easier now, and then you can just pull your battery out or change the memory card, which is really, really nice. So overall, I think for running and gunning, this is a really nice setup because if you don't have a wireless mics, then this should improve your sound, which we'll do the tests on, but then also this allows you to not only just use them on the tripods, but also gimbals as well. Now, for pro guys, like not ourselves, then you have a proper cage which allows you to attach loads of accessories. As you can see, there are quite a few holes in there. So, and shall we put this on?
Yeah, I like the fact that they come with multi-tools, you know? I think that's great,
So, what can we attach to camera like this? Well, first of all, this thing can still there. You've got a cold shoe here for all your accessories. You've got another cold shoe here. All those screws will allow you to put either external monitors, something like Atmos recorders, etc., etc. You can have a swivel hand. You can also put it on monopod, tripod, or gimbal because it is Arca Swiss. Again, we have a little latch in here to access the batteries, as in previous grip as well. So if you ever thought of kitting your Z30 out as a proper cinema camera, then that would be the cage to use, because yes, $70 is something that is not very expensive compared to other manufacturers. And again, if you are a true videographer, then that would be a good option to consider.
In the past, people had complained about the fact that with cages, they might be able to shift or move. But what SmallRig have done with this one is introduced a dual locking system. So not only do you lock it on the bottom, but you also then can lock it on the side so that it doesn't move and it just completely fixes it in place. It also stops that rattling noise that you sometimes get with the strap plugs on a cage on your camera.
Fantastic. So let's talk about pricing. So the cheapest accessory you can get is $10, and that's effectively a windshield for your internal mics. Now the next one up is the plate. It's priced at $30. Again, very light, basically 100 grams. Quite nice thing to have if you don't shoot a lot of videos. And then the most expensive item is $70 for the cage, and obviously it's 200 grams in weight, so a little bit heavier and bigger, but again, if you're a videographer and that's all you do, this thing is quite useful. Okay, this is a quick recording of internal microphones without the windshield attached. And this is a quick video of the windshields attached to the camera, so compare the audio and make your own conclusions.
We'd like to thank SmallRig for sending us these accessories. We hope you found this video helpful.
If you like this video and you would like us to do more videos like this, then put your comment below. And also there's a super thanks button for some of you who found this video. Super thankful. Super useful, actually. Yeah.
Super useful, super thankful.
Okay.
No, just say, and the nice thing is it
Yeah.
the nice thing is it looks cute. Are you seriously trying to sit on me? Seriously, you're so big though.
The plate is actually.
You're so big. There you go. All right.
Yeah, is that how you want to be remembered?
You know, you're not quite the size of a lap dog. That's the problem.
She said, "I'm not a fighter. I'm a lover."
So the good thing about the SmallRig accessories.
Tilly,
Won't devalue.
do you want to go? No.
She's like, no.
No. I'm going myself. Okay.